Looks like we got another good sized perch. Careful with the water. The water's coming in. The water's coming in. Looks beautiful. It still looks beautiful. Tide's going out. Looks like Sergio's hooked on to another fish. Got Mr. Martinez with 2 fishing poles. He's ready. He's ready. Bring it in, Sergio. Bring it in. Here it comes. No, he's on. He's on. Good size perch. Good size perch. And there he is. Good size. Good mid-sized perch. All right, the hitting has been really good. The biting has been excellent today. They said that by noon it was going to be hitting really good, and they were right. Good job, Sergio.